Emerald ash borers are invasive insects now found throughout the US. These insects target ash trees and several other types of trees. Adult beetles feed on leaves, and the larvae hatch and develop underneath tree bark, disrupting a tree's flow of nutrients. Continued feeding activity may lead to a decline in the tree's health. In this video, we'll go over how to identify emerald ash borers, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check out the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Emerald ash borers are small, narrow beetles. They grow to be 3/8 to 1/2 of an inch in length, and their bodies are an iridescent green with copper or gold tones. When an emerald ash borer opens its wing covers, it reveals its purple-red abdomen. The larvae do the most damage to the tree. As they develop under the bark, you are unlikely to ever see them. When the bark is removed from an infested tree, visible galleries will be carved into the surface of the wood. After pupating into adults, the beetles will emerge from D-shaped exit holes. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Emerald ash borers primarily target ash trees, but they will also infest other species of tree in the same family. Adult beetles can be active from May to October. After laying eggs, larvae will hatch after 2 weeks and will feed for 1 to 2 years. Infested trees may show defoliation and dying canopies, with leaves turning yellow, brown, or sparse. You may also inspect for D-shaped exit holes and the adult beetles themselves. If bark has fallen away, galleries are a clear sign of infestation. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To manage emerald ash borers on your property, use an insecticide like Imidacloprid 2F. Imidacloprid 2F is a long-lasting systemic insecticide designed to protect trees, shrubs, and turf. When applied as a drench treatment, the product is absorbed by plants through their roots. Pests that feed on treated plants will ingest the product and die out. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water before application. For a high-volume treatment, we recommend you apply this product with a solutions hose end sprayer. For trees up to 15 inches in diameter at breast height, or DBH, apply 0.1 to 0.4 fluid ounces of product in at least 10 gallons of water. For larger trees, apply 0.3 to 0.4 fluid ounces of product. Apply your solution around the base of the tree. Remove any plastic or barriers that could hinder absorption. In some cases, it can take 60 days or longer for the product to fully translocate into the plant. Keep in mind that after emerald ash borers have been controlled, trees with existing damage and stress may never fully recover. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Once you've eliminated ash borers, consider removing dead or infested trees to stop any possible spreading of pests or disease. If you keep firewood, store it away from healthy ash trees. Keep the woodpile elevated off the ground to improve air circulation and reduce moisture. You should also maintain the health of trees on your property with proper watering and fertilizer application. Healthy trees are more resilient to pest activity and are more likely to recover. An effective strategy to prevent infestation is to apply Imidacloprid 2F before visible signs of damage occur. Preventive treatments should be applied to healthy trees. Heavily infested trees are not likely to recover. Soil drench applications can last up to 1 year, so annual applications will help maintain continuous protections. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop emerald ash borers from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.